Alright, so in this video I will show you how to set up your wallet for Cbxrp type of transactions, meaning that this will not be Flare related transactions and mostly for Cbxrp, which is a Coinbase wrapped XRP. Okay, and any other type of wrapped or bridged XRP that is not on Flare. Okay, so for this you will need a pretty standard wallet, anything that works with Ethereum layer 2s, because specifically we will be deploying capital for Cbxrp holdings to liquidity pools or lending and borrowing provision on a base chain. And base chain is simply an Ethereum layer 2 that is, in general perspective, one of the best layer 2s available at the moment, with the most opportunities across the chain. So you can deploy Cbxrp onto the liquidity pools on decentralized exchanges. You can lend and borrow your Cbxrp for interests, and you can borrow against your Cbxrp to use the borrowed capital on liquidity pools on base chain. All of that happens on base chain. So this is the focus now. Later on we will move to set up the wallet for a Flare network, and then on F assets and XRP DeFi on Flare, which is the same as on base, just on a decentralized matter, because FXRP comes from decentralized approach and not centralized like Cbxrp. There is nothing wrong with Cbxrp, it's just that you have to acknowledge the fact that your native XRPs gets converted to Cbxrp, and Cbxrp is managed by and backed by Coinbase. There is nothing wrong about that. I am using that on a daily basis, and I am saving in Cbxrps as well. So there is no need for any conspiracy theories saying that someone will steal your XRPs if it's not in a native form. I'm not saying you have to bridge all of your assets, but there is definitely nothing wrong with using Cbxrp because it's one-to-one backed with native XRPs to earn more money. Why not, right? So for this, any wallet that supports base chain will work, but my best recommendation would be Rabi wallet. I've been using this for years. I know how it feels. It supports multi-chains. It supports base chain as well. It's easy to use, easy to navigate. So that's what I would recommend. But even something as basic as MetaMask will also work. It's just that not my personal preference. I don't like MetaMask, what they've done, the team behind it, not the biggest fan. So go to Google and write Rabi wallet, okay? So as you can see, you have some sponsored stuff. I'm not sure why it's in my language. Yeah, so Rabi wallet. So you always must go to the official website, and the official website for Rabi wallet is rabi.io. This is the official website. You can double check it by clicking download for Chrome and see that it is actually the verified owner as well, okay? But the official one is Rabi.io. To triple check it, you can go to social media, like for example Twitter, and go, I'm not sure if we will see everything, yeah, but you can also see that the Rabi wallet, the official website is this one. If you want even more conviction, you can go to Rabi wallet X account and just go and scroll through all of the pages and you will see, but always choose not the sponsored one, the main one, the first one. This is always the official one. And when you go to download for Chrome, in this case, you will also see this verified thing, and of course the ratings, everything will show up. So Rabby.io, as you can see, your go-to wallet for Ethereum and EVM, which is basically Ethereum virtual machine. All of the layer 2s are supported on this wallet, same as MetaMask and others. I just prefer Rabby, so that's what I show. So click on download for Chrome. You can also get it for your mobile phone. I do have it as well. It's easier to check on things if I have to do it on the move. It's the same process. So for this one, I will show you for Chrome, or maybe you have Firefox or other browser, but as far as I know, Safari is not supported. So make sure to use either Brave browser, Chrome, Firefox, anything that is supported. As you can see, one of these, the Brave, Edge, App Store, of course. Yeah, so all of these are supported. Then click on Add to Chrome, add extension. It will install the wallet to your browser, and it will take you to Welcome to Rabby wallet. Now your wallet will be right here under this puzzle extensions button. Go to Rabby wallet and click this pin. So now you will always have this here next to your name and your account. Okay, so it's easier. Now when you first time open it, it will open up this Welcome to Rabby wallet, and then you will have two options: to create a new address, or I already have an address. So the core difference here is if you don't have any wallet address and you want to have a fresh new wallet, you will click on create a new address. If you already had some kind of a wallet before, or maybe you lost access to your wallet, but you have the private key or the seed phrase, the 12 or 24 words, you can click on I already have an address, and then you will need to import the seed phrase, the private key, or the ledger. And then you will recover your previous wallet that you lost access to, just in case. So if you create a Rabby wallet right now, a brand new one, and then for any reason you lost the access, you changed your laptop or something happened, then you can use the private key or a seed phrase to re-import the wallet back and have all your money back. Just never ever share it with anyone else, as I explained to you before. For this case, let's create a new address. Before you start, if I lose or share my seed phrase, I will lose access to my assets permanently. We all know that. I explained you. My seed phrase is only stored on my device. Rabby can't access it. It's just they're telling you that once you see your seed phrase on the screen, you have to write it down or screenshot and print it, and then delete the screenshot right away, but never store it somewhere online or easily accessible to others, okay? Especially not online. So instead of writing it down, because you can make mistake by writing it, so I would recommend to double, triple check it. But the best thing is show the seed phrase, take a screenshot, and then print the screenshot physically so you have it on a piece of paper but as a screenshot, so it's definitely not misspelled, and then delete the screenshots from everywhere. So now, because I will use this wallet to show you around, but I will not use it as my main wallet, I can show you the seed phrase, and I mean the wallet after the course will be empty, so I'm not scared or anything to actually show it to you. So click on show seed phrase, and as you can see, these are the 12 words. Okay, make sure no one else is watching your screen when you back up the seed phrase, because if someone gets access to these 12 words, they can steal your money. They can access the wallet and they can do whatever that they want with that wallet. Okay, they can send the money, swap, switch, withdraw, whatever. Okay, so these are the 12 words. So what you have to do now is take a screenshot of these or copy, paste it somewhere on an offline document like a Word document or something, print it, store it safely, delete all the screenshots or any proof of these things that are online, and then essentially and then just have it, right? Stored safely. I will take a photo on my phone right now, because when you click I've saved the phrase, I thought they will ask to confirm it, because some wallets ask to confirm it. In this case, no. So okay, now this is the password. This is the password that will be required when you open the wallet after some time of not using it. So it's not the end of the world if you forget this password, okay? Because you can recover it using the private key or the words, no problem. But don't use a very generic one as well. And don't use the main one you use across your social media. If someone hacks the wallet, using your seed phrase or private key, they will not be asked for this password. So it's still not gonna save you. But this is just in case you've been working on a laptop, you went somewhere, and then someone came to your screen and tries to do something with your wallet, they will have to enter the password. So if they don't know the password, they will not be able to hack your wallet, okay? So for this one, I will make it very simple. Okay, click on confirm, and it's created successfully. So this is your seed phrase one. This is the name of the wallet. You can rename it as my XRP Defi or something, doesn't matter, and click on get started. Now it shows you that how to pin the Rabi wallet. I already showed you that. Click on done, and that's it. And now if you click on the Rabi wallet button, it will open up your actual wallet. As you can see, no assets here. We have zero balance, and basically these are all the cool buttons you can click around, but you don't need most of it. The only thing you need is the receive button. If you click on receive, you will be able to choose across multiple blockchains. As you can see, ignore the noise. The only thing you need is base. So you can pin the base, and always this will be the first one. Click on the base, and this is your wallet address. This is the public address. You are able to share this. If someone wants to send you some money, you can share this wallet address and they can send you the money. If you want to send some assets like Cbxrp or USDC, whatever, to your wallet, you will use this wallet address. So you can copy it, and then you can send some assets on a base chain, most importantly, to this wallet. So now you have the wallet, we have everything. To get Cbxrp, there will be another separate video on how to do that, and I will do that not through the standard approach, because I don't like using Coinbase, because it's a very strict KYC based exchange, and I believe most of you also don't want to be going through the flow of Coinbase. So I will be using another CEX, because you will need some sort of a centralized entity to get access to stablecoins, send the stablecoins to Rabi wallet, and then swap into Cbxrp. Okay, so I will be using Mexi. It's a pretty good centralized exchange that is not asking you for millions of documents. It's a non-KYC exchange, so you can simply deposit some money up to 2 BTC per day, as far as I know, in terms of non-KYC limits, and then you can simply send the assets backwards and forwards if you have to. So this is the only thing why Cbxrp is a bit annoying, because to get hold of it, you have to go through partly centralized entity. There is a way to go still as decentralized as possible, to simply buy USDC, just buy some stable coins through MoonPay, for example, on your phone, through Apple Pay, whatever. Send the MoonPay, you send the USDC to this address, and then swap into Cbxrp right away. But I will explain all of that in the next video, okay? This one is to set up the wallet. So now you have the wallet, you can click here, you will see all of the assets. We don't have anything, so we cannot do much right now, but it shows you all of this information. Most of it is not necessary because you are not going to be using this for multi-chain purposes, only for Base and Cbxrp. So next video, I will explain what do you need to have in your wallet at all times, how to actually send your XRP to here, to Rabi, and how it all looks, feels, and works. Okay, so thank you. Hopefully this video was beneficial. You should have the wallet yourself as well, and I will see you on a next video.